So guys, here's the car. It's already up for sale. It's already at the dealer. I'm sure you're going to figure this out when you see this here, but it's the last walk around. If you can see, it's at Acura dealer. So you probably already know what I'm getting. But this is them. It's the walk around they did. It's ready to sell. It's what I brought it back to. Still looks sharp. Like I said, great car. Still love it. Still sponsored. Still be able to get you guys some great deals. So definitely stay tuned. I'm excited for this new build though too. Real similar to this. Like I said, this thing's treated me well. They're great cars. Never had an issue with it. Never broke down. As you guys know, I'm loyal to these cars. So that's why I didn't stray too far. I stayed with the family. Hence the Acura brand. So here is the new car I just picked up that I'm excited to get started with. So as you guys probably guessed it, it's the TLX. And as you can see, if you guys know these cars, it's the A-Spec edition with the super handling all-wheel drive, of course. I test drove it. I love it. It's a sharp looking car. I like the change they went with on this. Like I said, I love the style of it. I love how it's still Honda family. It still has that feel to it. The quality build. Same motor. I haven't really pushed it too much, but the super handling all-wheel drive, really great. And this is a little sad for me. If you see right here in the background, there's my car waiting to be sold. So like I said, bittersweet. But I'm excited for this new build, guys. Do mods on this thing. See what it can do. You know, the same 2.0 motor. It is a tad slower because it is quite a bit heavier. I can notice that. But I love it. It still has plenty of punch for me. High quality build, of course. You know, a lot more amenities, and I'll go over this more with you in the coming weeks. I'll do a walk around video, show you what's different about it. Along with do some comparisons too. It'll be a good, I'll be honest with you guys, you know, gas mileage, performance, worth the price, the deals I got, all that kind of stuff I'll go over with you in upcoming videos. Along with, of course, the mods, the tips, the tricks, some stuff you didn't probably know about it, all that kind of good stuff. So definitely stay tuned. Definitely hit that subscribe button. I appreciate that. Any questions you have, definitely drop them below. I'll get back to you on that. Like I said, just picked it up, so I'll have to take some time to get used to it. You know, the pros, the cons, like every car has them, I know. So, but I'm excited about it. Something different, like I said, but still with the Honda family. I still like Honda too much just to branch away and go to like Toyota. I still think they're, for what you get, it's superior to a lot of cars out there. And I'm excited about this one too. So again, I appreciate all you guys, all your help with the previous builds I've had. I'm looking forward to your input on this. Even if you don't have an Acura, let me know. Keep letting me know what you'd like to see on this one. You know, like I said, they're very similar. Same manufacturer. A lot of similar parts on this I've noticed. So again, I appreciate all you guys. I'm excited for the future. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks everybody. I appreciate you.